Got a call for a half-ton Ford, two-wheel drive, stuck in Sand Hollow. Got the dogs with us. Cameraman today, Trevor. We're heading out there in the yellow banana. Man, this Jeep's running good. Underneath this, I'm going to run a little bit longer rope to get a better angle so we don't mess up your air dam there on the front. I'm going to go ahead and start it. Turn the wheel all the way to the right. Okay, go ahead and straighten them out. Right there about. Yeah, you can stay there. I'm going to straighten this all out, and then I'll back up and we'll get in position to go. I'll let you know. That looks like it's going to work. That air dam's really low. I think it's going to be fine. Okay, so your most important job is steering wheel orientation. Okay. You can go ahead and put it in drive. And you're not going to want to use a ton of throttle, but you're going to want to help a little bit. Okay. The biggest thing that happens here is people get the truck doesn't do what the steering wheel says it's doing, and then you'll get confused and start plowing. And so just keep track of that. Almost all of the maneuvering is going to be that much. Right. So we'll start out with it turned out just a little bit like that. We'll get you out of here. run the rope. You're gonna need to back up a little bit because you're parked on the chain. Okay, stop right there. Okay, roll forward. Keep coming. Keep coming. Okay, turn your wheel all the way to the right. That's good.